Hey Tigers! My name is Robin Stringer and I'm a member of the Clemson Family Advisory Board. Clemson has many resources available to you as parents and families. One of those resources is the CU Events app, which Clemson uses to manage events on campus. The CU Events app is available for download on your mobile device. You can find it by searching Clemson University Events in your phone or tablet's app store. The CU Events app contains a wealth of information such as event schedules, campus maps, and logistical information to help you navigate campus during events like Ready, Set, Roar, fall and spring family weekends, and more. Here's how it works. Event Guides. Once you've downloaded the CU Events app, tap the Find Guides tab on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, search the name of the event you are attending in the search bar. Once you find your event, tap Download Guide. When the download is complete, you can either tap Open or access it from the My Guides tab on the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap the three lines on the top left to open up a list of tabs where you can access information about your event. Personalized Schedule. One of the most helpful features offered through Guidebook is the Personalized Schedule tab. This component allows you to select events from the event schedule in order to curate your own personalized schedule that only includes the events you will be attending. To do this, select the Schedule tab to open up the full schedule. Next to each event should be a small circular icon with a plus sign in the center. To add an event to your personalized schedule, tap on the plus sign icon to the right of the event name. The event should then be automatically added to your personalized schedule. You can access your personalized schedule by selecting the Personalized Schedule tab, or by toggling between the event schedule and your personalized schedule. But remember, adding an event to your schedule does not register you for the event. It simply helps you keep track of which ones you hope to attend. If you would like to register for an event, you will do so using a different tool, which we will explain in another video. Tags. All of our events are labeled with tags that give specific information about each event. Tags can be seen by looking at the colored circles underneath the time of the event, or by pressing on the name of the event itself. These tags can help you make informed decisions about which events you want to attend. For example, all events for Ready, Set, Roar are tagged as either student track or guest track to show who should attend which events. As a parent or family member, you are welcome to attend all Ready, Set, Roar events that are labeled with the guest track tag. We also use these tags to categorize events at family weekends. For example, some events require an additional ticket purchase and are labeled with the ticketed event tag. Events found in the Schedule tab will also sometimes be tagged based on the day they occur. So the Tiger Family Tailgate may be tagged as both a Saturday event and a ticketed event. Be sure to press on each individual event to view its tags. Parking and Transportation. Opening up the Parking and Transportation tab will show you detailed information including parking maps and public transportation schedules. If you are attending Ready, Set, Roar, you'll find shuttle routes and schedules in the Parking and Transportation tab. Campus Maps. The Campus Maps section of the CU Events app will include a map of campus, in addition to a parking map. You can also view an event-specific map that highlights key locations across campus. Family Handbook and Family Calendar. There are also some additional resources available in the CU Events app that are helpful year-round. Both the Family Handbook and the Family Calendar can be found under their respective tabs in the app. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to reveal the list of tabs, and then select either the Family Handbook tab or the Family Calendar tab to view the publication. Places to eat. Places to eat on campus are listed in the On-Campus Dining tab. While you are here in Tigertown, we encourage you to check out local restaurants and attractions too. Our recommendations can be found by selecting on the Restaurant Guide tab. You'll find a list of all of our recommendations, their locations, and descriptions. If you ever find yourself with questions about how to navigate the CU Events app, please feel free to reach out to Clemson Family Programs at cufamilies@clemson.edu. You can also call us at 864-656-0515 to find out more. Thanks for watching, and go Tigers!